In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for creating a question paper. This can be a real-time saver for educators looking to generate high-quality exam content quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how you can utilize this powerful tool in a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This might seem obvious, but starting your search engine journey from Google often provides the simplest path forward. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. You'll notice a variety of results, but what you're looking for is the link to the official ChatGPT website. Click on this, and you'll be taken straight to where the magic happens. Now, once you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to think about the kind of question paper you need to construct. This is where planning makes a big difference. Consider the subject, the grade level, and the type of questions you want. A well-thought-out prompt will yield the best results. Let's say, for example, you need a grade 9 physics test. You might want a mix of multiple choice, short answer, and numerical questions that focus on Newton's laws of motion. You should also specify that you need a complete answer key, which will help in quick evaluations later on. With that in mind, type in a detailed prompt such as, create a grade 9 physics exam on Newton's laws of motion with 3 sections, multiple choice, short answer, and numerical questions, covering all 3 laws and including a complete answer key. Clear instructions will guide ChatGPT in crafting an exam that meets your specific needs. Once you've carefully crafted your prompt, it's time to submit it. Look for the Submit button on the platform, typically located just underneath where you've typed your prompt. Clicking this button will send your request to ChatGPT, and then it's just a matter of waiting for the AI to process your request. And there you go. The tool will generate a comprehensive question paper for you. You'll see nicely formatted questions and, as requested, an answer key to accompany them. This automation saves you considerable time and effort and ensures that the contents align with educational standards. As you get accustomed to tailoring your prompts effectively, you'll find that the world of exam creation opens up, allowing you to explore various subjects and formats much more freely. This approach not only aids in exam preparation, but can also stimulate creativity in designing unique and diverse educational assessments. Thank you for watching this guide on using ChatGPT for making question papers. I hope you find this tool as helpful as I do.